So there's a new 360 camera, and it's not from Insta360, not from GoPro, and it's not from Ricoh. And you're gonna wanna check it out. First, here's the teaser trailer. So the new camera is called the Pilotpano, and it's by a company called Labpano. It used to be called PiSoftTech. Now you might not know about them, but they've actually been producing 360 cameras for 3 years now, and their 360 cameras were some of the most innovative. Like for example, you know how touchscreens are really common in 360 cameras right now, like the X3, the Theta X, the GoPro MAX, they all have it now. But their camera, the Pilot era, had it 3 years ago. When their camera was released, it was the most portable 8K 360 camera at that time. It was also one of the first to feature real-time stitching with stabilization. Like you could get the video straight from the memory of the camera and it would already be stabilized in 360. Now, their cameras weren't well known to a lot of people because they were actually just for professionals. Like the Pilot era was over $2,000 and the Pilot 1 was, I think, $1,400. But the good news is that this new camera, that Pilotpano, is their first 360 camera for consumers, and it's priced reasonably. I haven't tried it, nor have I seen samples of its video, so I don't know how good it is yet. But I've seen the specs, and it has some features that its competitors don't have. Now, I can't tell you what those features are yet until launch day, but for now, here are some of its features. Pilotpano will have 5.7K video resolution and will feature a large touchscreen. It will be usable for street view capture and will have an open API. It will also feature a larger battery capacity. So you probably have two questions. Number one is, how does it compare against the Insta360 X3, GoPro MAX, and Theta X? So I don't know either, and I'm really curious to see, but I'm optimistic that the video quality will be competitive based on the specs. Second, how much is it going to be? It's going to be priced reasonably. I can tell you that much. Now again, I'm going to have full specs on its launch day, which is currently November 11, but that's been pushed back several times already, so if it gets pushed back again, I wouldn't be totally surprised. But for now, it's November 11. And you have a chance to win a Pilotpano. All you have to do is follow Labpano's social media. I'm going to have links in the description below. Will there be other cameras like the GoPro MAX 2? If you want to find out, check out this video. And if you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in 360.